Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to hide notifications icons in Samsung Galaxy S22. How to hide notifications icons that are at the top of our screen. Of course, settings, then we are looking for notifications menu here, and advanced settings. And at the top we have show notifications icons. Right now we have all notifications. We can choose three most recent, only a number of notifications, or we can just none, and our notifications are now hidden and won't show up at the top of our screen anymore. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.